Ride the Lightning video number 3 at 1 minute and 57 seconds into the track. We have this riff. Okay, now let's break that down. In slow motion we have start off with an E5 power chord at the 7th position. First finger on the 5th string 7th fret, third finger on the 4th string 9th fret. Back that up to E flat, 6th and 8th frets, 5th and 4th strings, and then D5, 5th and 7th frets, 5th and 4th strings. So we have, okay, this power chord descending chromatically, 1 fret at a time in semitones, E, E5, E flat 5, D5. Then you can grab the 6th string 2nd fret, 6th string 6th fret with your 2nd finger, that is. And then we have C5, 1st finger on the 5th string 3rd fret, 3rd finger on the 4th string 5th fret, and then your 2nd finger can grab the 6th string 4th fret, and then B5, 1st finger on the 5th string 2nd fret, 3rd finger on the 4th string 4th fret, and then your 2nd finger grabs the 6th string at the 3rd fret. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, this measure, we're going to play the 6th string open 4 times using alternate picking, down, up, and tighten up the sound using right hand palm muting. Okay, so next we have this dyad, double stop, 5th string, 5th fret. I would recommend you use your 2nd finger, and you can play the 4th string 5th fret with your 3rd finger. You could use a bar, but if you do, you're at risk of accidentally playing the 3rd string at the 5th fret, and you don't want to hear that note. So if you use your 2nd and 3rd fingers for that dyad, you don't run that risk. So that's why I would recommend using your 2nd and 3rd fingers. I noticed while watching some live videos of Metallica that James uses his 2nd and 3rd fingers to play this passage. And I also noticed that Kirk uses his 1st finger, which I would recommend against using, okay? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to play the 6th string 6 times, down, up, alternate picking, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 4, then 6, and then 2. And that takes us back to